In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a template sheet in Smartsheet so you can reuse the same structure, formatting, and workflows for future projects without starting from scratch. First, open the sheet you want to turn into a template. Make sure the sheet contains the columns, formatting, formulas, automations, and other settings you want future projects to use. Next, click File in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Save as Template. Smartsheet will open a template setup window where you can configure your new template, enter a name for your template so it's easy to identify later. Choose the workspace or folder where you want the template to be stored. Next, review the available options for what should be included in the template. You can choose to preserve items such as formatting, formulas, automations, forms, comments, attachments, and sample data depending on your needs. Select the options that make sense for your workflow. For example, if you want every new project to include the same automation rules or forms, make sure those options are enabled. Once you've finished configuring the template settings, click Save. Smartsheet will create a template version of your sheet and store it in the selected location. To verify everything worked correctly, navigate to the folder or workspace where you saved the template. You'll see the template available for future use whenever you need to create a new project. Using templates helps standardize processes, saves time, and ensures every new sheet starts with the same structure and best practices. That's it. You've successfully learned how to create a template sheet in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.